Hello everyone, this is Punita here signing in from Lucknow, India. Today is day 20 of the 30-day video making challenge. I am back here yet again with some more tips and tricks how to build a resilient mind, how to build a millionaire mindset. Today's topic of discussion is avoid making premature assumptions. The problem is not that we make a lot of assumptions. The problem is we make a lot of wrong assumptions. In the field that I work in, analytics and data sciences, we are encouraged to make a lot of assumptions. But yes, the hypothesis has to be right. The assumptions have to be base correct. We often misinterpret each other. We add an underlying meaning or a subtext which definitely was not intended in the first place. In other words, we are going at 90 kilometers per hour in a deep dark place of distrust and disloyalty. Consider this. You get a call from your client complaining that one of your teammates did not call him back. What do? Do you head straight to that person, storm out at him and demand why he did not call back? Or do you walk up to the person and truly try to understand what went wrong, what had truly happened? The reality is, your perception about a situation truly depends upon your beliefs. In this case, your perception about your colleagues, about your client, about the work culture, about any other external factor that may affect the situation has a lot of impact on your perception of the situation. Your beliefs are always driving the show without you being aware of it. So how do you ensure that your beliefs do not lead you astray? Therefore, I come here with 3 tips that ensure you do not dive straight into the assumptions. Step number 1, assess your belief. It is important to step back and dig deep into why do you believe what you believe. In a person, in a situation, reflect on where this assumption is coming from. Is it some past experience? Is it some personal opinion? Or is it a gut feeling? You must know this. Knowing this is the only way you can truly enter a situation authentic and grounded. The added benefit is you will be setting a right example for someone else. Point number 2, ask questions first. Asking questions is the antithesis of assuming. It is all about being curious and open rather than blindly assuming in a situation. When in doubt, ask a question. Come into a situation with an open mind and a genuine desire to be informed. This is the most respectable way in which you can unearth all the driving factors which you may not be aware of. Imagine for a reason that the tables are turned. You are in the receiving end right now. You will definitely appreciate this approach being taken up. Point number 3, seek multiple perspectives. No single person owns the capital T truth of a given situation. Every person has a piece of it. It is important to gather multiple opinions. At times, they may even be contradictory. Your job is to pick up all that information to understand truly what is going on. This will not only make you more knowledgeable, but it will also garner you a lot of respect from the person whose point of view you're trying to understand. So, to wrap up this video, do not assume, take multiple perspectives and check on your beliefs. It is often said that what we are looking outside is sometimes residing inside us. So, look into what your beliefs are and you truly will find an answer. Thank you so much for watching. I love coming back to you guys with more information every day. I'll be back again tomorrow with some more information. See you guys. Bye-bye.